your boy, Rico Styles. It's your boy, Rico Styles, back with another Don't Watch Me, Watch My YouTube right here. I got another unboxing, just came in today. Review. Nicely done. I seen these when they first came out, or seen the pictures, and I was like, you know what? I gotta have a pair of these. Maybe because I like loud shoes or whatnot. But voila. So the bottom glows in the dark. I don't think I'm gonna do a glow test, but yeah. Like a nice little glossy matte in the front right here. On the side, white laces. You know me, I might try to find something to match these, even though I think I do. I got this suit right here I haven't worn. It got black. So I might wear this. Yeah. So here's what it is. Shoe. And this is the other shoe. Voila. And for these, it looks like quality on here is pretty decent. Yeah. And these are still available on the Nike website, so you can go get you a pair if you want a pair. You can do this simple black and white, or you can be loud like I might be. But you know, a few different ideas I might have in my head from when I wear these. But won't be wearing these a lot, but I like the color of the shoe, so I bought them. But yeah, it's your boy Styles. I'm out. And the glow test.